Exercise 4C, question number 8. Fill in the blanks in each of the following by the correct number. See first number, 4 by 7 equal to 16 by blank. Here we have to find denominator. See, first fraction is 4 by 7. Its numerator is 14 and second fraction's numerator is 16. So what should be multiplied with this 4? So the product will be 16. So 4, it should be 4. So 4 4s are 16. So this 4 is multiplied with numerator. So with denominator also we have to multiply 4. So 4 into 7, 28. So 28 is the answer. Second number, 3 by 8 equal to numerator blank, denominator 24. So here 8, here 24. So which number should be multiplied with 8 so that product will be 24? So it is 3. Now we'll multiply 3 in numerator also. So 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9. So 9 by 24. 7 number, 72 by 135 equal to 8 by blank. So here this number is greater, this number is smaller. Sorry, this number, this fraction is greater in number and here it is 8. So in 8 what should be multiplied? So the product will be 72. So it is 9. 8 9 is 72. Now we'll write 9 first and then we'll think of which number should be multiplied with 9 so that it will be 135. So it's 15. So 9 15s are 135. 8 number, 84 divided by 96. Here 7, here 8. So 8 12s are 96. So 12 7s are 84. So 7 by 8 answer. See B number. Find the equivalent fraction of 5 by 8 with numerator 25. Equivalent fraction of 5 by 8 means in each question first fraction is 5 by 8 and other fraction numerator is given 25, denominator we have to find. So in 5 what should be multiplied so that product will be 25? It's 5. So 5 should be multiplied with numerator and denominator. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. So 25 by 40 is the answer. See 3 number, denominator is given, we have to find numerator. So 5 by 8 again. Now 8 should be multiplied with 3 so that product will be 24. So again this 3 will be multiplied with numerator. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 by 25, 4 is the answer. Likewise, you will be solving rest of the questions and in every question, first fraction will be 5 by 8. See here we are multiplying. Now see C number. Find the equivalent fraction of 64 by 84 with numerator 16. See in B number, numerator was 5, here numerator is 25. So this fraction numerator is smaller and its answer's fraction numerator is 25. So this is smaller, this is bigger. So when we go to smaller to bigger, we have to multiply. And here see it is 64 numerator and it is 16. This is bigger and this is smaller. So when we go bigger to smaller, we have to divide. So see here, first fraction is 64 by 84 and in numerator, the second fraction's numerator is given 16 and denominator we have to find. So 16 here. So 16, you have to see by which number 16 should be multiplied so that its
numerator, first numerator 64 will be coming. So it's 4. So here we have to divide it by 4. So 4 divided by 4, 16, 84 divided by 4, 21. You can see like this also, 64 into 4, 16 4s are 64, 21 4s are 84. See another example. Sorry, question number 3. 64 divided by 84, and here denominator is 42 given. We have to find numerator. So what should be multiplied with 42 so that here it will be 84. So it's 2. So here we will divide 84 by 2, 64 by 2. So it is 32, 32 by 42. D number. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Here we have to cross multiply. 8 into 75, 600, 40 into 15, 600. So products are equal. So these fractions are equivalent. If the products are not equal, fractions are not equivalent. Question number E. Which of the following fractions are in lowest term? See, first number, to see if the fraction is in lowest term or not, we have to first find the HCF of the numbers, that is numerator and denominator. So here in first number it is 4 is numerator and 15 is denominator. So we will find first HCF. You can use any method. I have used here division method. So HCF is 1. So when HCF is 1, it is in lowest term. When HCF is not 1, see in 5 number 35 and 21. So HCF here it is 7. So it is not 1. So this fraction is not in lowest term. So in all of these questions you have to find HCF of the numerator and denominator. If HCF is 1, then it is in lowest term, and if HCF is not 1, it is not in lowest term. And to find HCF you can use any method. See F number, simplify. We have to reduce it to its lowest term. So see first number 21 by 35. Here we have already found HCF. It is 7. So in each question again you have to find HCF. If it is other than 1, then you have to divide by that number HCF. So 7, we are dividing it, 21 divided by 7, 3, 35 divided by 7, 5. So 3 by 5 is the final answer. So in each of the question you have to first find HCF and then divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. That will be final answer. Or if you remember divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or then you can do directly like this. See 15 number, it is 270 divided by 315. Its last digit is 0 and 5. So these two numbers can be cancelled by 5. So here I am cancelling it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 4s are 20. 54. Now again I am cancelling it by 5. 5 6s are 30. 1 carry. 5 3s are 15. Now 54 and 63. So 54 and 63 can be cancelled by 9 directly. 9 6s are 9 7s are. So 6 by 7 is the final answer. So if you know and remember divisibility rule, you can do directly.